USCIS is skipping green card interviews like crazy, and this is why. Basically, we can blame the Trump era and the coronavirus, but all of that happened in 2020 really messed up the immigration system. I mean, the backlog with both immigration court and USCIS is absolutely insane. It's taking way too long to get a green card these days. Right now, the biggest kind of case that's getting processed in even less than 90 days are adjustment of status applications. Those are applications where you prove that you entered the country legally, meaning on parole or a visa or some kind of border entry card, and you're able to adjust status within the United States. For those applications, you really need to prove that your relationship is bona fide. Like if you're having a marriage-based application, you really want to prove that you're married for the right reasons, aka you're not committing marriage green card fraud. It's worth it to put as much evidence as possible in your initial application, because if the first officer that is reading your application determines that your marriage is bona fide, they're going to go ahead and waive your interview. And this is how you're going to know. Your biggest clue that your interview is going to be skipped is USCIS sending you a request for evidence for a medical exam. That's your clue. Once you get that, get your medical exam done and sent in the mail right away, because your green card will probably come about 30 days later. Remember that this policy is an official USCIS policy, meaning adjustment of status interviews are being waived, not consular processing. Consular processing is when you have to interview in your home country at your local embassy. Remember that this is a USCIS policy under the Biden administration. We don't know if Biden will actually be reelected, so now is a really good time to file your adjustment of status application.